Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Photoshop build and the extension's required environment because mismatched versions are the most common cause. Once done, close Photoshop and back up your extensions and plugins folders to avoid data loss. Make sure you run the installer as an administrator. Installers often need elevated rights to write to program files. If the extension is ZXB or CCX, have the signed package ready. These steps set the stage for installation and reduce permission or compatibility errors later. Now you install and register the extension step by step. First, choose the right installer: Adobe Extension Manager for old builds or Anastasis ZXB installer for modern ZXB packages. This matters because unsigned installers can fail. Next, place files in the precise folder, Photoshop plugins or extensions under Program Files, because Photoshop loads those paths at startup. Then register the extension or enable it via Window Extensions, and use the scripting listener to verify that Photoshop recognizes. Finish by restarting Photoshop and testing the extension with a simple, isolated document. This confirms functional load and avoids project-specific conflicts. If the extension still fails, examine the Photoshop log and the installer output for missing dependencies or permission denials, because those messages point directly to the root cause. As one key troubleshooting move, re-sign the extension or clear Photoshop's plugin cache and run the app as administrator. If that fails, reinstall Photoshop's plugin modules. These actions resolve most remaining loading errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.